Like children who dare each other on things. How far out could you get? What could you take?
Traveling this country the last few years has taught me a lot of hard lessons, and that the gear under your four-wheel drive is almost as important as where you take it. When we're on the road for weeks at a time, reliability is paramount, and it's something I just can't rate highly enough of Drivetech 4x4's Supashock range. We put them through hell and back, and they just keep kicking. That reliability makes sense too. The inverted strut design means there's a huge 64mm main shaft taking the load. And the pneumatic bump stops smooth out some of my more ambitious driving. Of course, they're not just a hardcore weekender thing either. We've loaded them to the hilt and pounded out thousands of Ks of corrugations through all sorts of terrain, and they've always held their own and returned an amazing ride quality. No question about it, these are an Australian-made damper for Australian conditions. A big part of that is their wide tuning window, making them ideal for varying loads. From the job site to the campsite, towing caravans or camper trailers, the ride is always silky smooth. They run a huge internal oil reservoir too, which makes them unbelievably simple to install. No hoses or canisters to mount or get damaged off-road. Of course, they're not just available for my car, they're available for a whole host of vehicles, so stop what you're doing, get on the Drivetech 4x4 website, and get out here.